This is Mr. Palomares. As you know, we have created a basic game that you press the space bar or one another key on the keyboard, and you have two racing cats. Remember that when either one gets to the finish line, they can broadcast a message. Let me get this one also. So either one broadcasts a message to the stage, and when the stage receives the message, basically they change the background to something else. Like for example, I had the hill here, so that will be okay. So here we go. Click on the space bar, and then changes the background to level number 2 or so. One of the things that we want to do also is when they reach the, let's say cat number 1 reaches the um, the finish line, we want to say something like I won. Yeah, so I won. Let's try it for the first cat. So here we go. There you go. I won. There you go. I'm not gonna do that for the second cat. Oh no, I can do it too, but the problem with that is that everybody's gonna win. Okay, so you're gonna have to figure out that way to see which one really won. Okay, that should be your homework. One of the things I want to also do is I want to go to data. I want to create in cat number 1 or either one. I basically let me delete this. I want to create a variable for this sprite or cat only, and I want to call this cat 1 score only for the cat. And basically what happens is when this cat reaches the end and it says I win, I want to change my score for 1 because obviously that's a win. So here we go. Click. I'm gonna press the space bar. It gets there and it gets 1 score. That means he won 1 race. Okay. I can do the same thing for the cat number 2. Cat number 2 score for that cat only. So I can put change the score by 1 right here. Same thing. I can click on the green flag to get started. I can say cat number 2, and it says I won. But you know what? What I want to do is when I start my program right here, let's say right here when I start my program in cat number 1, I want to set the score or reset the score to 0. So every time they go back to the beginning, they say 0. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna reset it. Green flag, and if you notice 0 0, green flag, it goes. I won. Goes to the next level, and that's the beginning. That's a variable. You see that you create a variable, customize. You set up to 0 when it gets to the green flag, as you can see here, and when they get to the finish line, they score 1. Okay, so that's something that you want to do. You also want to maybe put a sound there. Let's try this one, and then let's go to scripts, and then go to sound, and then the one they want. Well, let's play a sound right there. Let's see what happens really fast. Green flag. Go. We have my sound on. Try it again. There you go. It's just a basic sound. Okay. So try that and let's see what happens. This is once again, this is the beginning of a 2-player, 2-level game. You can go from here and get ready for next program. Thank you.